Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jones Unicorn Stable. And I haven't done a video in a long while, quite a long while. So today I've done a short video for you guys, so you can watch it, and I really hope you enjoy it. It's with me on my bike because David upgraded my bike for me. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video.
Right, now we can turn around. You go first. Yeah, you want to be in the lowest gear. There we go, we're at the top, we're nearly there. So if we do this on the weekend, it's not raining, you actually doing it.